Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best YoGi Gadgets car is probably one of the most innovative and useful car accessories on the market today, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with practical functionality to transform your driving experience, offering a range of features designed to boost safety, enhance convenience, and add a touch of modern flair to your vehicle, making every journey smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. Number 5. Drop-Stop Car Seat Gap Filler. Tired of things falling between your car seats? It's frustrating and dangerous. Drop-Stop solves that problem. This innovative gap filler is designed to completely cover the space between your seats. It's the original and patented solution. It provides complete coverage in front of, around, and behind your seatbelt. No more lost phones, wallets, or other valuables. It attaches easily to your seatbelt catch and moves with your seat. No readjusting or reinstalling required. Made from high-grade neoprene, it's built to last a lifetime. It's also designed to fit most vehicles. Each drop-stop package includes 2 gap fillers, plus a bonus slide-free pad and an LED credit card light. Its flexible design expands or contracts to fit any gap size. The dark color blends seamlessly into your car's interior. Drop-Stop was featured on Shark Tank, proving its effectiveness and popularity. Get yours today. What we like. It completely fills the gap between your car seats, making it easy to install and use. It's built to last a lifetime, so you won't need to replace it. If you're tired of things falling into that annoying gap, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. It installs so easily and does a great job at stopping all drops. It is wonderfully durable, and the way it is made it can fit any space. What I love most is how discreet it looks. You can barely tell it's there, but it works flawlessly. The material feels durable and high quality, and it's flexible enough to fit snugly no matter the size of the gap. They stop all sorts of flying objects and debris from landing between the seats and the console, never to be seen again. And, I didn't even notice he had installed them, they fit so well. Number 4. Loncaster Car Phone Holder. It fits most phones and GPS devices between 6 to 12 mm thick. This includes many iPhone and Samsung models. Just make sure your phone with its case is no thicker than 12 mm. Its soft silicone bottom and sticky pads keep your device safe. It won't bump, scratch, or fly off during sudden stops or turns. The high-tech adhesive base is easy to clean. Just rinse it with water and let it dry, it's good as new. You'll need a 5 by 5 inch flat area on your dashboard. Remove the protective film from the bottom. Make sure your dashboard is clean and dry before placing it. It only supports horizontal placement. It's more than just a phone holder. The handy storage compartment keeps your cables, keys, and change organized and within reach. What we like. This phone holder keeps your phone secure and accessible, even during sudden stops. It's easy to clean and reuse, and it also provides extra storage space. If you need a reliable and convenient way to mount your phone, this is the one for you. What people say. Very durable, even in the summer heat or bitter winter cold. It keeps on sticking on. It's rubber material, so it's easy to charge your phone as well. It's very sturdy and easy to use. It holds the phone even in a thick case perfectly. It also grasps cords, keeping them out of the way. Number 3. 70 My Smart Dash Cam. Experience sharp, detailed videos with its 1080p FHD resolution. The upgraded processor ensures smooth recording, even at high speeds. Its wide-angle lens captures more of the road, reducing blind spots. See clearly, even in the dark. It boasts Sony Starvis 2 technology for superior night vision. The larger aperture and HDR technology provide vibrant images, even in low-light conditions. Effortlessly connect to your smartphone via built-in Wi-Fi. View, download, and share videos easily through the app. Use voice commands for hands-free operation. It provides continuous protection with parking monitoring. The time-lapse feature saves storage while still capturing important moments. Emergency recording ensures crucial evidence is saved. It features loop recording, automatically overriding older footage. It supports up to a 128GB memory card for hours of recording. The efficient encoding technology maximizes storage without compromising quality. This dashcam supports microSD cards from 16GB to 128GB with a Class 10 or higher speed rating for optimal performance. Using lower class cards may result in slower writing speeds and recording errors. What we like. This dashcam provides crystal clear video quality, day and night. It connects to your smartphone via Wi-Fi for easy video access and sharing. If you are looking for a high-quality dashcam with advanced features, this is a great option. What people say. The 1080p Full HD video quality, powered by the Starvis 2 IMX662 sensor and HDR technology, captures sharp and clear footage, even in low-light conditions or at night. Setting it up was straightforward, and the built-in Wi-Fi makes it easy to connect to the companion app for viewing and downloading videos. The mount is very sturdy and has given me no problems. The camera is small enough to fit behind my rear view, so I barely even notice it's there. Number 2. YoGi Prime Car Organizer. Tired of a messy trunk? This hanging organizer reclaims valuable floor space and keeps everything neatly in place. It's perfect for anyone who appreciates a well-organized vehicle. It's made from tough, waterproof materials, so it can handle daily use, road trips, and even unexpected weather. Your items will stay safe and dry, no matter what. With 4 large pockets, it's great for groceries, sports equipment, or travel essentials. It offers quick access to everything you need, keeping things organized on the go. No tools are needed. It attaches easily to your back seat headrests with adjustable straps, ensuring a secure fit in most cars, SUVs, and vans. Looking for a thoughtful and practical gift? This organizer is ideal for dads, car lovers, or anyone who enjoys a clutter-free driving experience. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. This trunk organizer helps keep your trunk clutter-free and your items dry. It's easy to install and fits most vehicles. If you need a practical way to organize your trunk, this is a must-have. What people say. It's really good quality, nice stitching. This was the only hatch organizer on Amazon that fit perfectly, has great storage space and uses quality fabrics. Seems well made and fits my 2022 VW Taos just right. This organizer gave me plenty of space for everything else. I was amazed how much fits into the pickets. Number 1. Rapid Storage Straps. Tired of tangled cords and messy storage? These heavy-duty straps are your solution for a neat and organized garage, shed, or RV. They're incredibly versatile and easy to use. Each strap can hold up to 50 pounds. The stainless steel grommet makes hanging extension cords, hoses, or ropes a breeze. Say goodbye to bulky cord winders. Rain or shine, these straps will keep your items secure. Made from durable polypropylene with a strong hook and loop, they're built to last. Perfect for any climate. These aren't just for cords. Use them to organize building materials, sporting equipment, or anything else you need to keep tidy. The possibilities are endless. You'll receive 6 17-inch heavy-duty straps. They're the perfect gift for the organized person in your life, or a great addition to your own toolkit. Get yours today. What we like. These straps are incredibly strong and can withstand various weather conditions. They're perfect for organizing a variety of items in your garage or around the house. If you need a durable and versatile storage solution, this is it. What people say. Easy to put on, very strong. Because of the width, these help keep the loops in place and separate the different cords that are kept together. They are well made and also good for carrying cords. These quality wraps make organizing easy and fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.